So in this video, I'm going to explain you what is WordPress and WordPress for beginners. It's going to be a WordPress tutorial step-by-step guide. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I make a lot of WordPress tutorial plugin reviews, and I also tell you how you could make an online brand. So please consider subscribing. Okay, so guys, first things first, let's begin. Okay guys, what is WordPress? Okay, so basically WordPress is a free open source website builder. It helps you build websites, and creating websites is really easy. All you need is hosting, and the second thing is you need your domain, and it's gonna be really easy. We are gonna do in very simple steps. Okay, we are gonna pick a domain, install WordPress, install a free theme, and you are done. Okay, so guys, let's make it really simple. Okay, because I like to make everything simple. Okay, and also if you watch the video till the end, I have a free bonus for you. So the first thing is we are going to use hosting. Okay, so one of the best, okay, it's the best hosting for WordPress. If you go to their website, click on hosting, they have Bluehost. Over 2 million websites are using WordPress. So for me, I have a 70% discount. Okay, so it's Black Friday, the link is down below. So I have a huge discount, so go down there, buy it right now. And then once you buy it, all you have to do is just click on start saving and then select recommended, because for me, I can create a lot of websites, so I would always select unlimited. I would select this, fill in your domain. So your domain is like google.com, or so for me it's gonna be yavarkhan.com. so I'm just gonna write yavarkhan. I've already purchased it, but let's see, I'm just gonna click next. So it's already there, so I'm just gonna write something else. Okay, and then just click next, but I already purchased it, so you can write your domain here, click next. I'll create my domain later. And then once you're over here, you need to fill out your information. I always select all of these. It's kind of a bit expensive because it's for 3 years. I'm gonna select 1 year. Still it comes up to 137, because yes, it's fine, but I have a discount, so you could use that. And just click next, submit, put in your credit card information over here. Okay, I'm not going to do that. So once you submit that, okay, you're going to get an email with your account details. Then you have to just come here. Okay, just log in. So I'm logging into my account. Okay, so once that's done, so once you're in your account, you just have to click on my sites. I'm going to create a site, and then you put your site name. So your site name, let's say you're creating, for me, I'm going to create a website for hair salon. So best hair salon. Okay, that's my site name. I'll put my site name like cutting in style, look the best. Okay, I'm just gonna click next. Okay, you don't have to install any of these things. Okay, and you don't have to put this. I already have a domain, so I'm gonna just put men's salon. Okay, and then I'm just gonna click next. And creating a WordPress website is really easy. It just takes 3 seconds with Bluehost. 1, 2, and 3. So it takes a little more time, almost around like 5 to 10. So as you could see right now, my WordPress website is created. All you have to do is log into WordPress. Just click over here. So if you click over here, so it's now loading. Once it's loaded, so once you're in your dashboard, the first thing you have to do is very important for SEO. Click on permalinks and click on post name, because currently, like right now, if you create a page, it will show some numbers, but we want the name of the post or the page. Really good for SEO. Save changes. Once that's done, the second thing what you have to do is coming soon active, and this just launch your site. That's it, because on Bluehost it lets you create your site and then you can launch your site, but I would always just launch my site. Okay, now once you come over your settings, general, so you could see your site title and your site tagline. So if I open my website, and if I look on the top, cutting in style, look the best. Okay, right now it doesn't look that great, but we are going to create a new post. creating a post is really easy. So I'll say new salon in town. We are the best salon in the area with the best rates. Okay, I'm just gonna click on publish. Once I publish this, all you have to do is click on this over here on the top and visit site. Once you go, so new salon in town. So congratulations guys, this is your first post. Now the theme doesn't look that great, so now we are going to install a new theme. So I'm just gonna go on appearance, click on themes, click on add new. Once you click on add new, just type Astra and just click enter. So this is a free theme, so you could install. So for me, it's always in the beginning, always use a free theme. Once you start making money, then you can, you know, buy some stuff. Just click on activate. Okay, once you activate this, okay, once you click over here, and once you go back to your site again, just click over here, visit site. Just gonna close all this. So now you see something looks different. Okay, now your website is different. Now what you have to do is click on dashboard. Okay, and then I'm just gonna go on appearance, click on Astra options, because this is your theme right now. Okay, and then once you're over here, you could just click on this one, install importer plugins. So what is this? This theme has free designs which you could use on your website. So I'm just gonna install that. So it will take time. So now this is done. Select Elementor. Okay, you need to select this one. It's a free drag and drop builder. Click next, and then these are the free themes which you could use on your website. So it's a barbecue one, a fitness trainer. So the ones which says agency are paid, the ones which doesn't say agency are free. So I'm just gonna click over here and just click on import site. So now all of this thing would get uploaded on our website. So usually it takes, as you could see, that it takes 2 to 10 minutes depending on your internet speed, but this is the website you will get. So currently I'll just wait. For me, usually it takes 1 minute to get downloaded. So I'll just pause the video. I'll come back again once everything is imported. So yeah, so I'm almost done. So it took me 1 minute or 56 seconds to do it. Now if I just click on visit site, and okay, so as you could see right now, my website looks really good, but this is a hair salon website, not a restaurant. So editing this is really easy. Just click on edit with Elementor. Okay, I'm gonna give you a lot of tips and tricks on how you can make money while creating website. Okay, got it. Okay, now so see, you can just click over here, best in hair salon, hair salon. Okay, so guys, doing this is really easy. Okay, all you have to do is update. Once I go visit my website again, so now it's gonna show hair salon. Okay, now what you have to do is, let's say you need to change the picture. So this is one website, Unsplash. Okay, so I'll just type hair. Okay, so you see this one looks really good. So I'm just gonna click here on this one. It's a free, so it's a free website where you could download free copyright free images. Now you just have to click here on the 3 dots. It's a drag and drop builder, guys. All you have to do is click on style. You can put a YouTube link, or you could put an image. Okay, if it's not available, the video. Okay, so now let's put a YouTube. Let's go on YouTube for purposes. Okay, I'm not gonna use the video, but just like this, I'm sorry if I'm using your video from YouTube, but just for demo purposes. So I'm just gonna update. So you see, I could put a video as well. Looks really good. Yeah, so yeah, this is how your website is. So guys, in this video I'm just gonna show you how you could make a website That's it. I've created, so the surprise I told you, so I've created a free course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch, step-by-step instructions, the best themes to use, the best SEO plugins, the best of everything. It's in that course. It's a free crash course, so it's really good for you, and I'm going to give you ideas how you could make passive money out of websites. So that's really good. So the link down below, and thanks for watching. And if you consider this is very useful, so please consider subscribing. I'm making a lot of videos, okay, so please do subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.